What's the meaning of bread and butter? Bread and butter. Bread and butter.
Bread and butter. Bread and butter. The phrase bread and butter is often used to describe something essential or fundamental to one's survival or livelihood. It can refer to a person's main source of income or the basic skills needed to succeed in a particular field. In a broader sense, it can also represent the basic necessities of life, such as food, shelter, and clothing. Understanding the concept of bread and butter is important for recognizing the foundational aspects of our lives and how they contribute to our overall well-being and success.